This is the food. This is the two banku I was able to get, and obviously one is smaller and the other is bigger. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making some banku. See right here, it's banku, corn and cassava dough, fermented. I'm going to be making banku and some fried fish. Yes, this is what you get when you travel. You cannot adapt some culture when you travel. So I'm bringing banku and fried fish into my home today. I'm not using tilapia. I am using another fish. I will show you guys. Yeah, so this came in this pack. It's the Nana International brand that I'm using. I'm gonna open this up. Just wash it, just make sure that, and sift it, make sure that there's no sand in it. And I will show you guys the product. Stay tuned. So I just emptied the banku in here and I'm washing it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm going to sift it and then just make sure there's no sand at the bottom of it, and I'll let it sit to thicken up before I can make it. Alright, and right now I cannot show you the fish because I just seasoned the fish and it is in the refrigerator, just marinating before I can fry it. But for now I do have the tomato already cut up. I'm letting it dry on the paper towel here, and I've made my fresh raw tomato sauce already. It's just tomato sauce blended with pepper. Let me close it on the light. Tomato sauce blended with pepper. I use dry pepper this time and some seasoning. So this is raw. This is fresh vegetable. Fresh vegetable. Set it back here and I'll show you the progress. This is the oil on the fire right here. I just turned the stove on, so I should be frying soon, shortly. All right. Thank you. So my oil is hot now. It's almost ready to go. And my fish that I was marinating and I kept in the refrigerator is here and ready, and that's what I'm going to fry right now. Plus I already showed you my tomatoes. I'm going to cut the bell peppers. I'm going to use red bell pepper this time. I'm not sure if I have some green bell pepper, so I'm going to just use the red. And I have my banku in here. I put in the pot already. There's a little bit more water on it. I'm going to drain that out, but let it set so I don't lose my banku. So yes, let's put the fish in the oil. The oil is pretty hot right now. I'm going to put the fish head first. I have 2 heads because I'm using 2 fish. Fill. Another fill. There's some cookies. Let's fry this baby up. I'm gonna get me some kitchen utensils though. And this is the remnant of the juice from the fish. going to use this tongue to turn them whenever I'm ready. So set it right here. And I'm going to go about getting my pepper and everything else ready. So that once this is ready, you can go ahead and eat it. So I am going to use 2 bell pepper, 1 white onion, and 1 red onion. And get it peeled up and cut up. I'm going to blend some and keep some like I cut the tomatoes out, and I'll let you see it. Decided to go with 3 bell peppers. I added 1 more to it. Still have just my 1 white onion and 1 red onion or purple onion, however you want to call it. I'm going to empty in this bowl and do the slicing on this cutting bowl. Okay, stay tuned. Let's took the tomatoes from the towel or paper towel, and it is dry now. It's in the plate that we're going to use to serve it. Now I have the red bell pepper on here to dry out a little bit. I'm going to pat it. But since I have time, I'm still making these. The banku is on the fire now. Fish is almost ready. I'm about to take it out so I can pay attention to the banku because this is delicate so it don't spoil. Yes, my fish is ready. Ready. And so on this side, I like my fish here really crunchy as much as I can, especially when I'm eating it with something like this. I like it crunchy. If I was just putting it into some of our African soup, I wouldn't have fried this much. But I like it crunchy. And turn this side so you can get not golden brown, but I just like it looking a little bit more brown. Yep. What I'm going to use to mold my banku as it cooks in the pot. I'm by myself right now, so I don't have help with recording this. I just wanted to see. I'm going to stir it, cover it up between intervals, stir it up until it forms mold. It's like you fixing any, I don't know if you guys know how we fix African fix their dough, swallow or what. That's how you make this. It's pretty easy. It's the same idea. See, it's cooking at the bottom, but I need to go now and stir it so it don't form knots and it won't be pretty. This is inspired from Ghana. It's a Ghanaian traditional food. Banku looks like now, guys. It came out good. See here, came out good. Well done. Let me get a bite of it. Yeah, so I'm ready to take it out, make at least 2 balls of it, and you guys will see the end result. I've done cutting the white onion. It's just left the purple or red onion. Some people call it purple, some people say red. Yeah, my fish is here. I'm allowing the oil to just come off it. And yeah, I'm excited about my first homemade banku, and it's a food from Ghana, West Africa. If you don't know, Ghana is a beautiful West African country that is doing so well when it comes to infrastructures and stuff like that. Yeah, it's one of the countries that is really making Africa proud. It's putting Africa on the map. So yeah, my husband and I visited Ghana a few months ago and we loved it. We stayed at the Oak Plaza Hotel. I have some videos on that, and I'm going to just upload those videos gradually as I can. for you guys to be entertained. So yes, let me take this off the fire, cut up that onion, and we'll be ready to eat. This is what I'm using to wrap my ball. This is my first ball. Correct me if I'm wrong, my Ghana family. Yes, I've wrapped my first ball. I just twisted, mold it good, and I twisted and put it right here. I'm about to do the last one. I don't know if this is gonna be a big ball because it's not that much, but hey, we're eating home anyway. Because it's good to make your food home because you know what's in it, you yourself prepare it, and I just love homemade food. So I've cut out my paper, I have cut out my plastic and put it right on my countertop here. What I do, take water from this bowl and just spatter it over here so that it helps the dough not to stick to the plastic. The same way you would do if you were doing it in a plate or something. For instance, I just took my dough right now. I'm setting it right here. I will have to, and then I will dip my spoon in here. I will have to put the phone down so I can really get all my dough from the pot. So yeah. You may not see all of the doughing process because I'm using one hand. So alright guys, but at least I hope you guys get the idea. About to make a little pepper sauce using the remainder of my red bell pepper and a mix of the onion, the purple or red onion, and the white onion. So I've blended it very smoothly. I'm about to make a quick gravy. I'm adding a little twist of my Liberian culture. We like a little gravy. So I'm going to use some dry pepper. It's not the pack for it. I just put this in my old Oregon bottle and I'm using it. And I will use some cube. This is the cube I'm using. It's called Maggie cube. Yes. So that's why I use to season this as well. And I'm about to use it on seasoning this too. Yeah. And I like to put a little bit of this North bouillon seasoning powder. I'm going to put it first, stir in the pot, and then put my remaining of my blended ingredients into the pot. Okie doke. So guys, this is the end product. I have set up the table. This is where my hubby will sit, his usual spot, and this is my own seat. And this is the food. This is the two Banku I was able to get, and obviously one is smaller and the other is bigger. These are my onions and my tomatoes, my bell pepper. This is the Liberian stew I made. This is the raw tomato that I just blended with seasoning. And these are the fish fried. Yes, I got my bottle of malt, one of my favorite drinks. I'm going to wash this Banku down with it. Just my regular bottle of Great Value water from Walmart. That's for my husband. He's upstairs. I'm not sure what he wants to have with it, so if he wants another drink or just water. But yes, this is going to be our dinner for tonight. Tell me what you think, guys. I told you guys this channel we're going to be versatile now because we're going to be doing different stuff on it, including our usual nursing contents. So my people from Ghana, tell me what you guys think. I did not use tilapia. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of tilapia, but I must say that the tilapia I had in Ghana, oh my god, it was different from the tilapia here. Like, oh my god, I could eat that tilapia. But for the most part, the tilapia here, I don't really like it. Maybe I'm not buying it from the right place. But the one I usually get from the farmer's market, it has this kind of strong smell to it that repulses me even before I start cooking. So I may grill it like once in a while and put a lot of lime or lemon on it to reduce that smell. But the girl is not a big fan of tilapia. So I use this fish that I usually use to cook my food. And yeah, we are ready to. I'm going to call hubby now to come down. He came from work tired, so I asked him to rest until the food was ready. I am going to call him to come down and test what I have made. Alright. This is my own little portion. And that is hubby's portion. We are going to dive into this. This is the Banku. Yeah, it came out good. We're gonna dip it into the sauce. Dip it into the tomato sauce. And grab a bite. And grab a bite. Yeah, this is delicious already. I'm grabbing some fish, and we have a lot of fish here. Yeah. Join us, enjoy. We'll see you guys later. Bye bye. And thanks for watching our videos.